Welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can adjust touch gestures of your Honor Earbuds 3 Pro. So to do this, you have to select your earbuds from the list. Next, you have to go for the shortcuts and you can find 3 gestures: single tap, press and hold, and also swipe. We can adjust, for example, the tap function. So we can do this for the left and the right earbud. Let's switch, for example, for the right. So click once, and I would like to get the previous track when I tap once. So on the right, I'm gonna move to the previous track, and on the left, I'm gonna turn the next track. You can also do the same for the press and the hold. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.